Never again. Quickly. Okay. You should say your name and the word that connection with your name or word that begins in your first letter. Okay. Please, Gulum.
Google.
Yes. Repeat. Gulum. Google. You. Sabina. Asana. I can't. Please. Next. Sabina.
Gulum Google. Google Aysana iPhone. Sabina Snapchat. Please.
Gülüm Google Aysana iCloud Sabina Snapchat yesin email.
Email. Nice. Yeah. Perfect.
Gulum Google Aysana iCloud. Sabina Snapchat. Yesin email. Назерке наша карта.
Наша карта. Okay.
Gulum Google Aysana iCloud. Sabina Snapchat. Yesin email. Назерке наша карта. Aysana App Store.
Gülüm Google Aysana iCloud Sabina Snapchat yesin email Nazerke naша карта Aysana App Store Familiar Microsoft.
Yes.
Gulum Google Aysana iCloud. Sabina Snapchat. Yesin email. Назерке наша карта. Aysana App Store. Muhammedian Microsoft. Ayjan Aviator.
Gülüm Google Aysana iCloud Sabina Snapchat yesin email Nazerke наша карта Aysana App Store Muhammedian Microsoft Ayjan Aviator Ali ITQ.
Gülüm Google Aysana account Sabina Snapchat yesin email Nazerke naša karta Aysana App Store Media Microsoft Ayjan Aviator Ali ITQ.
Gülüm Google Aysana iCloud Sabina Snapchat yesin email Nazerke naša karta Aysana App Store Muhammedian Microsoft Ayjan Aviator Ali ITQ. Netflix Canas
Joe Kizer. Janarus Joe Kizer. Okay. Please, Gulum.
Jonas Joe Kizes. Netflix. Ayjan Aviator. Muhammedian Microsoft. Aysana App Store. Nazerke наша карта. Yesin email. Sabina Snapchat. Aysana account.
And you? Gulum. Okay. Take a seat, please. Thank you. Thank you all participation. Will be application or okay. This is my open lesson. In our end of lesson, when we finish, we comment on my lesson with one sentence that you have learned and the one question that you don't understand. Okay? Okay, very good. So look at the board. Next. How do you think? What icon of it?
Message.
No.
Messenger.
No.
Play games.
Play games application. This is icon of play games application. Very good, Asana. Next. Messenger or social media. Okay, next.
Upload pictures.
Upload picture. Very good. This one. Health care application. Yes, you see. And the next. Social media that we all use. Yes. Next.
Educational.
Educational apps. Perfect. Good. Next. Browse maps. Yes. Next.
Monitor the weather.
Monitor the weather apps. The icon of monitor the weather. The next one. Netflix. What about this app? What function? No.
Education.
No. Why people use it? How do you think? This is and this letter N. No. No. Close to social media. What we get from social media? What we get from social media? No. No. N. No. 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 News application. It is icon of news application. Jamalta. Okay. The next one, please. Action quickly. What is it? What is it? Can help you get direction quickly. Browse map. Sabina, 1 point. You take 1 point. Okay, very good. Next. Mohammedia, please. Raise your hand. Get ready. To describe one of the application. Please choose one.
It is useful because they help you stay in touch with your and
friends
and the family.
Family, yes. Social media. Is she right? Yes. Yes, she is. Ayasha, 1 point. 1 point. Next. Who wants? Nazir, please. 1 point. 1 point. Choose one of them. Any application, any item of application you can choose. Okay. Nohan, please. I think you are ready. Yes, breaking news. What is it?
News.
Breaking news apps. Yeah, news apps. Okay, Jana's 1 point, and the next one, blue, please. Quickly.
This app can record your calories and the amount of exercise you do.
Educational. No.
Health online.
Healthcare. It is healthcare application. Very good, Anita. You have 2 points. The next one, Lisa, please. Ali, please. Don't be afraid. Don't worry.
Help students become independent learners, and it is very great at students' French.
Educational.
Yes.
Educational. Natasha. Okay, very good. You have 3 points. The next one. That's all? Janas? Can you describe one of the application?
It's provided with an hourly weather forecast, such way you will know what to wear.
What application? Weather app. No, messenger. It is weather app. Is she going right? Yes. Give it her 1 point. Very good. Okay, students, we revise our application and their function. And today we are going to talk about how do you think what we are going to do during our lesson? What we are going to? Teacher. Speaking English. In our lesson, during lesson, we will speak only in English. The next one? Process. No. Processing head. Learn new facts. Learn new facts. Jangan hasil
Create.
Create something new. Бастан жаңа bir нәрсе. Create something new. Okay. The next page, please. Look at the board and say what is it. You say and do you know what icon is it? Icon of Duolingo. Do you know about Duolingo? Yes. Only Blue. Yes. Now we are going to watch a short video about application and Duolingo educational application. I want you to listen carefully to do the quiz task, okay?
We have all heard someone say there is enough for that, and there is millions of apps to choose from. Every day, even more apps being added to app stores by developers everywhere. A lot of us enjoy using apps for entertainment, such as playing games, watching videos, or catching up with our friends on social media. Starting from basic skills like learning the alphabet and going right up to university physics. There are apps for all subjects and levels. Revising algebra, practicing a language, or simulating dangerous chemistry experiments can all be done just by typing the touch screen. Duolingo is an American app to learn 30+ language. It is free app. In 2011, Louis Vuitton and founded this app. Now, Duolingo, the world's #1 way to learn a language with more than 500 million learners. The language that has the most learners do on Duolingo is English. The second is Spanish language. Duolingo Latin word, which means to language.
Okay, this was the first time, and you should watch the second time to catch more information about this video. Okay?
Yes.
Next time, please. Көп ақпарат. Осы бойынша квестан. Once again.
I've all heard someone say there is enough for that, and there is millions of apps to choose from. Every day, even more apps being added to app stores by developers everywhere. A lot of us enjoy using apps for entertainment, such as playing games, watching videos, or catching up with our friends on social media. Starting from basic skills like learning the alphabet and going right up to university physics. There are apps for all subjects and levels. Revising algebra, practicing a language, or simulating dangerous chemistry experiments can all be done just by typing the touch screen. Duolingo is an American app to learn 30+ language. It is free app. In 2011, Louis Vuitton founded this app. Now, Duolingo, the world's #1 way to learn a language with more than 500 million learners. The language that has the most learners do on Duolingo is English. The second is Spanish language. Duolingo Latin word, which means to language.
Okay. You see twice, and now we are going to quiz time.
We have all heard someone
Now,
say there is
one by
enough for
one,
that.
we do quiz task. There are 4 answers to choose.
Yes.
The first, who want to start? Who want to start? Please do. Choose one of them. Osrak does read aloud. Question. Which type of students use? Choose your answer.
Educational.
Educational. Let's check. Okay, very good. 1 point. The next, who want to? Please, Sabina. Read the question aloud.
Social media apps for games, get breaking news, WhatsApp, world maps.
Choose one of the question.
Да. Get breaking news.
Get
Breaking
breaking
news.
news. No.
Catch.
Catch.
Up.
The correct answer is catch up. The next point, please.
There are apps for all
and
and subject level.
Subject and level. Choose B answers, yes? Okay, very good. 1 point. Who wrote? Please, Nazir.
What?
Which is Duolingo? Huh?
American mobile.
American Mobile?
Yes.
No. This is American app. Janaros, please. How many?
How many language Duolingo teach?
Choose your answer. The video that.
14.
No. Choose your own answer. Who's in
B.
B. Look at the correct answer. 30 plus. Who wants? Ali, please.
What is shown on the icon of Duolingo?
Icon of Duolingo. What is shown? You see from video. Icon. Dog. O or duck.
Duck.
Turkey.
Duck.
You're not. The next, please, Asana.
What to show? What provide Duolingo for kids learners?
Yes. Ticket, money, bonus, or certification. What provide?
Certification.
Certification. Okay, let's check. You're right. 1 point. Who wants? Yes, sir, please.
When Duolingo founded?
Founded. When? Kaçan kuraldı? Ayetinin videoda. Choose your answer quickly.
What?
B. Your answer B. You are right. 1 point. And Nukan, please.
How many learns Duolingo has?
Yes. A, B, B, or E?
B.
B? B. 5 million. The correct answer is 500 million. Who wrote? Please, Muhammad.
What is the second language?